At first, I would like to thank my respected sir and seniors. This is Pooja Bid, student of MSc 4th semester from Calcutta University. Now I am going to discuss about the 10 superfoods that you should eat every day. At first, we know about superfoods. Superfoods are nutritional powerhouses. Superfoods are extremely high in micronutrients like vitamins, minerals, as well as antioxidants, enzymes, and healthy fats. All of these nutrients are essential for our body. First, I discuss about orange. We all know that orange is a citrus fruit, popular citrus fruit, and particularly known for its vitamin C content. And also it is an excellent source of antioxidants, and these antioxidants may help combat the formation of free radicals that cause cancer. A medium orange contributes 3.14 gram of fiber, which is nearly 10% of an adult's daily fiber requirement. Several studies have found that fiber can improve some factors that contribute to dietary development and progression. Vitamin C contributes to collagen production. Collagen supports the skin, promotes wound healing, and improves skin strength. Next one is nuts. Nuts are highly nutritious. They are low in carbohydrates and a great source of several nutrients, including vitamin E, magnesium, and selenium. Many nuts are high in fiber, which can reduce a risk of diabetes, help to keep our full, decrease calorie absorption, and improve gut health. Nuts are significantly lower the risk of heart attack and stroke. Eating nuts increase bad LDL particle size and raises good HDL cholesterol, improves artery function, and it has other many various benefits. Next one is tea. Tea contains a group of polyphenol that have antioxidant properties. Consuming antioxidant may help decrease the risk of chronic disease and improve our overall health. Black tea contains polyphenols which may help fight cancer cells in the body. Although consuming black tea will not cure cancer, it may help decrease cancer cell development. Black tea can help improve focus due to its content of caffeine and an amino acid called L-theanine. This amino acid increases alpha activity in the brain, which can help improve focus on alertness. The next one is sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of fibers, vitamins, and minerals. 1 cup of baked sweet potato with skin provides calorie, carbohydrates, protein, vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, copper, etc. Sweet potatoes contain fiber and antioxidants that promote the growth of good gut bacteria and contribute a healthy gut. Next one is eggs. Whole eggs are among the most nutritious food on the planet, containing a little bit of almost every nutrient that we need. Omega-3 fatty acid enriched and pasture eggs are even healthier. Eating eggs consistently leads to elevated level of HDL cholesterol, which is linked to a lower risk of many diseases. The antioxidant lutein and zeaxanthin are very important for eye health and can help prevent macular degeneration and cataracts. Eggs are high in both of them. Eggs are highly satiating and may reduce calorie intake later in the day. Regularly eating eggs may promote weight loss. Next one is yogurt. Yogurt contains probiotics or good bacteria that helps to keep our guts healthy. It is also rich in calcium. Just 1 cup of yogurt provides nearly half of the recommended daily value of calcium and delivers phosphorus, potassium, zinc, riboflavin, vitamin B12 and protein. It is proved that if you replace an unhealthy snacks in a day with yogurt, it will help to cut down the calories. This also helps to burn extra belly fat. The potassium present in yogurt helps eradicate excess of sodium from our bodies. In such way, it controls blood pressure and kidney disease. Next one is blueberries. Blueberries are low in calorie but high in nutrients. A 1 cup servings of blueberries contain fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, 85% of water and only 84 kilocalories with 15 gram carbohydrates. Blueberries are the king of antioxidant foods, and antioxidants protect our body from free radicals. These main antioxidant compound in blueberries belong to a family of polyphenols antioxidant called flavonoids. Research suggests that anthocyanin in blueberries have beneficial effect on insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. These anti-diabetes effects occurs with both blueberries, just an extract. Next one is oats. The carbohydrate in oats are mostly starch and fibers. Oats offer high amount of many vitamins and minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, copper, B vitamins, iron, selenium, magnesium and zinc. Oats offer a potential benefits including reducing cholesterol and blood sugars level. What's more, they are very filling and naturally gluten free. Next one is spinach. Spinach is loaded with a tons of nutrient and low calorie package. Premature aging is one of the most common problem that most youths are facing today. However, spinach comes loaded with antioxidants that have the tendency to destroy the prevent free radicals and cause premature aging. Consuming spinach on a regular basis will benefit your skin and give a shiny texture. Spinach has a good source of zeaxanthin and carotenoids that can flush out the free radicals from our body. The last one is salmon. The combo of omega-3 fatty acids, selenium and vitamin A and D are key for improving immunity both in short and long term. Digging into at least 2 servings per week can reduce our risk of chronic illness like heart disease, diabetes and cognitive decline. Eating salmon while pregnant or nursing can boost fetal brain development. One main reason is that behind the salmon is chock full of DHA, a type of polyunsaturated fat that's readily available in oily fish. The combination of nutrients found in the fatty fish, polyunsaturated fatty acid and vitamin D have also been linked to improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis and the fractures. Last, research has shown that the ideal diet is one that is largely plant-based with a wide variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains and healthful animal products. Superfoods might be a good entry into healthy eating, and understanding the nutritional value of the food that we eat can be enlightening, but there are lots of healthy foods out of these are explored, even if no one is calling them super. Thank you.